Hello.
Hi guys, this video is to help you with your Unit 5 Day 10 worksheet. And so we're going to begin by looking at number 3. Just like yesterday, we're going to use the form y equals mx plus b to graph our line. Looking at the equation in number 3, I see that y isn't by itself, that I need to do some work ahead of time before I can name the slope and the y-intercept. So the first thing I'm going to do, just like we did Friday last week, is we're going to subtract 5x from both sides. That's going to give us negative 3y equals negative 5x plus 15. Now we need to get y by itself. I see it has a coefficient of negative 3. In other words, that y is being multiplied by negative 3. The opposite of multiplying is to divide, so we're going to divide every single part by negative 3. That gives me y equals, remember a negative divided by a negative is a positive, so that just leaves me with 5/3. Bring down my x, 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. So now I can name my slope, which would be 5/3, and my y-intercept, the number by itself, which is negative 5. Now to graph that, we're going to plot a point at negative 5 on the y-axis, because it's the y-intercept. Oops. There we go. And now from there we're going to go up 5 and to the right 3. And we could do that again, but then we'd be off the graph. So from there we're just going to connect those points. You're going to use your ruler to do that. And then we're going to label our line. And we're going to use the original equation of the line. So 5x minus 3y equals 15. Okay, if you have any questions, please let us know. Oh, before that, let's do the one on the back. Let's flip over. Number 4 on the back says you are participating in a walkathon. Donors can pledge a certain amount of money for each mile that you walk, or a fixed amount that doesn't depend on how far you walk, or both. The table gives the amount of the pledge by 4 donors on your street. For each person, write the equation of the given amount of money y the person will donate if you walk x miles. So the only tricky part here is to figure out which value would represent our slope and which value would represent our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is also known as the initial value, and so the fixed amount is going to be our initial value. The amount that I'm paying for per mile is going to change depending on how many miles x that I'm walking. So that value is going to be representative of my slope. So my equation, I'm just going to use y equals mx plus b. And so for example, Ben's equation would be y equals 2x plus 20. We'll leave you guys to fill in those other 3. If you have any questions, please let us know.